singing my song. I'm just singing my song for the squad, 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 for the squad.
Lead the signs to the zodiac. I don't need them, I just go attack. I make it epic, call me in the air. Quit playing with me, I go really bad. All 19, we gon' have to go and run it back. I'm really hopping on the track. Messiah on my side, I never lie. Yeah, breaking walls like I'm a running back, slashing like I'm Wolverine. They gon' have to hold me back. Yeah, they gon' have to hold me back. Hold me back. They gon' have to hold me back. Hold me back. Yeah, really on guard. Yeah, really on guard. Yeah. All these punches in my eyes, try to punish all these lies. I'm with gang, let it sing, load the chopper, let it rain. Play the fan, let Lil Kane, demon slain, they can't hang. Oh my God, I done did it once again. Oh my dogs, I done made it, I just might forget. Oh my God, I need angel wings to repent. Leave me here with the bug, I just might have sinned. Might just ride with a keychain, look at my life, it's a cheat game. Oh my God, that's what he claim. All on my head cause I need change. Still ain't a miracle, still feeling cynical. All of my feelings, they leaving residual. Climbing the top just to reaching the pinnacle. Once I'm reaching, I'm turning invisible. Get a catch, Richard God, man, that boy looking like Goldman Sachs. Wait, just run it up, I got an open tab. Hey, and won't you go and get another round? They gon' have to dumb it down. I don't dumb it down. I be giving all I got. Really living on the sentimental, put it in the middle of an instrumental. Every jot and tittle from my brother, pencil riddle with the scribbles of the father's riddles. Let me get a griddle, can I cook a little one? All these punches in my eyes, trying to punish. This is not a drill, it's a real attack. I got them days like I'm an almanac, staying up like an insomniac. Bring it to the floor and out the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit it with the fire. Hold up, rapping my sunshine till the day I die. What's up? I done told Kev I'm a diarist. Labels they think I'm a tyrant. Think I done sold me a diamond. Go ahead and blow the siren. I might just come in black, ready to attack. Leading the pack, I might just come at the clap. Not a drill, it's a real attack. For the squad and affiliates. I make it epic, call me in the air. Keep playing with me, I go really bad. All 19, promise they gon' need to hold me back. They gon' have to hold me back. Hold me back, they gon' have to hold me back. Hold me back, really on call. Really on call, really on call. Hey, I know where that came from, dog. Lead the signs to the zodiac.